What is up, guys? This is Gian of GadgetPilipinas.net. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a PlayStation 5 day here in the Philippines, December 11. And for those of you who were able to pre-order one a few weeks ago, congratulations sa inyo. Isa kayo sa mga swerteng nakabingwit ng PlayStation 5. If you're based in Manila or if you're based in the province, you should be getting your PlayStation 5 the next few days. Pero kung hindi ka talaga makapaghintay, you can already get your PlayStation 5 at your respective shops na pre-orderan nito. Okay? Now, what we have right here is the standard edition PlayStation 5. It's actually really heavy. Really heavy. And, by the way, as we speak, we have already posted our full review of the PlayStation 5 on our website at GadgetPilipinas.net. And we also have a separate review at onemoregame.ph. So if you're into reading, I highly encourage you to go and check them out. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. Na hindi ko napapatagalin pa, guys, no? Ito yung pinaka-retail box ng PlayStation 5 Standard Edition. This is the front portion. It shows the unit and also DualSense controller. It says here 8K, 4K 120 if your monitor supports it, and HDR compatible, just like the previous one, which is the PlayStation 4 Pro. Now, PlayStation 5. At the other side, we have here, again, photo of the unit and also the DualSense controller. And we have here the logo of the PlayStation 5. At sa likod naman ay pinapakita dito yung features of the PlayStation 5. Okay, now I don't think that you need a refresher of what the PlayStation 5 can do. But if you want to know more about what it is and what it can do, then you go ahead at onemoregame.ph or GadgetPilipinas.net if you want to know more about the features and if you want to know the hardware specifications of the PlayStation 5. Okay? Now let's move on to the actual unboxing itself. So some of you are actually waiting for this one now. This is the DualSense controller. Okay. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yan. Okay. And we have here the AC cord. And we have a documentation. Here, quick start guide, safety guide. Okay. We have right here. And apart from that, ganito yung box that holds or that protects the inside. We have here the base. So if you want to place the PlayStation 5 horizontally, it comes with a base. So you don't need to worry about it anymore. So all you have to do is just simply place it like that and, kakabit mo lang siya yung PlayStation 5 dito. There's a grill, which I will show you later on, para madali mo siyang makabit doon sa pinaka-base. Okay? And we have here an included cable. This is an HDMI 2.1 compatible cable, so you don't need to buy actually another one if you want to. But kung naliliitan ka o hindi ka ganun hahabaan dito sa kasamang HDMI 2.1 cable, then you might as well buy a new one. But as I mentioned, and also as mentioned by PlayStation, it is already included out of the box. Okay. Now, included as well is this cable. This is a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable in order for you to charge the DualSense controller. Pero para sa inyo na meron na mga devices na tina-charge nyo with a Type-C port, very likely meron na kayo ng mga cable niyan. So, hindi na kayo problema yan. No? It's not going to be a problem for you guys. What is important is that it comes inside the box, so you don't need to buy one just in case you don't have one. Okay, so this is now the unit. I'm going to remove it, but I will need to slide it down like this, position it like this so I can easily remove it. Medyo malaki kasi siya, no? And I might have some difficulties removing it from here. Nice and easy. It's heavy, it's a very thick boy. Okay. Whew. All right, so this is it, guys. The unit. So meron siyang parang protector pads na kasama. So it's neatly packaged. I don't know where is the part na yung pinakaharap niya. But here we go. Ooh, boy. Okay, so this one's really heavy. This is a PlayStation 5 and again, standard edition. And, boy, now let me just give you guys a quick overview of what you can see right here. Again, this is the PlayStation 5. It's really heavy. These are the plates which you can actually remove, and kumbaga etched in the plate are actually micro icons of the Sony PlayStation logos. So it adds texture to the plate. And meron pang sa likod niya, no? Sa pinakalikod, sa may pinaka-port niya, there are actually also some PlayStation logos here at the back, just behind the grill right here. Okay? Now, in terms of port, we have here one high-speed USB Type-A, and we also have another one na super speed Type-C cable. Okay? We have one right there. And we have, syempre, yung sleep and wake button and eject button. Because this one is a standard edition. Okay. Now, sa likod naman, we have here yung pinaka-Kensington lock niya. So if you want to lock it, wherever you want to place it para hindi mawala at manakaw, you can actually put one right here. And then we have two super speed Type-C port, Type-A port rather, Type-A ports available. So if you want to use external hard drives, you can do that as well. There's another one at, in front, no? You can use that, pero only if you have a Type-C na hard drive or SSD that is compatible with super speed. Okay? Now we have a LAN port just below the Type-A ports. So if you want to connect it, like if you want to transfer your save games or games from your PlayStation 4 Pro or Pro or not non-Pro to your PlayStation 5, you can easily do that here, or simply connect it directly to the internet. Then we have the HDMI port, compatible to HDMI 2.1, so you can play at 4K 120. And syempre yung pinaka-AC port. Yeah. Woo! Okay. Now, if you want to place the PlayStation 5 horizontally, you can just simply look for the latch right here and place it very easily. So, hindi siya ganun kadali, kahirap rather. It's actually very straightforward. Okay? You just have to put the center, yung pinaka-center niya, hook it up, and then place it wherever you want. So, sa inyo na space savers, this one is the best position. Kung gusto niyo na space saver, you can simply remove this. But if you have a wide console table or TV rack, rather, then you can just simply place it like this. Woo! Okay. So, that's basically the PlayStation 5. Ibabalik ko siya dito, no? So, guys, you can see it right there. Boy. Okay. Again, we have the AC cord, the USB Type-A to Type-C, some documentations, HDMI 2.1, HDMI cable, and the DualSense controller. Wow. So guys, for the DualSense controller, this is the DualShock controller with a smartphone mount. So don't mind that, but this is for comparison. Ito lang yung itsura niya. And as I mentioned earlier, this is actually one of the great things or great features of the PlayStation 5. You can go and check out my review of the DualSense controller as well on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. I've said so many things about it in my experience while playing some of the games that I played on my PlayStation 5. Now, I'm telling you right now, this is one of the reasons why you will love the PlayStation 5, the DualSense controller. Unfortunately though, ang kasama lang na DualSense controller here in the package is only one. So that means you will have to shell out a few more bucks if you want to have another DualSense controller. This in itself is already a machine, so it's quite an investment, but only if you are going to play with somebody else at home. But if you're only playing alone, I don't think you need to have one. Some of, or most rather, of the games that are launched, no, sa pinaka-launch games niya, karamihan sa mga games na available are actually single-player games. So, I don't think that you need one for now, but if you believe that you need already one, then you might as well consider buying another DualSense controller. In terms of grip, no, it's totally different compared to the grip doon sa PlayStation 4 or DualShock controller rather. And, oh man, I don't know, sabi ko nga sa mga friends ko, it's always best to actually consider getting yourself one rather than asking people around na, Okay by experience, because I'm telling you, the experience is wild. It's really one of the best things, one of my best purchases this 2020. And if you have the money, then you might as well consider that. But if you don't have one, you don't have investable, or at least money na pwede mo ilabas, no, then you may want to think about it, okay? But then again, if you really want to detach from the world and play games, and if you really are a fan of the PlayStation series, this is it, guys. This is it. Now, as I mentioned, this is just an unboxing. Our full review of the PlayStation 5 Standard Edition is now live on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net and also at onemoregame.ph. Chris will also have his own unboxing of the PlayStation 5 for his own unit. Then you might also want to go and check it out as well pretty soon. Again, guys, this has been Gian of gadgetpilipinas.net. Hope you guys enjoyed this very quick unboxing of the PlayStation 5 Standard Edition. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!